One of the easiest and quickest ways you can free up time within your business is to know very quickly and easily who reports to who is managing who within your business. So not just at a task level, but at a personnel level. This is what they call an org chart within Trainual. What this does is it allows us to see exactly who's who in the business, who's there, an overall view of like who's responsible for who in the business, and for people that are kind of lower down the ladder, who they need to report to on a daily basis. You may ask, well, why is this important? I mean, you may think, well, something like this is just to show, oh, well, okay, you make this for your business and it's just to show that I'm, the top and I'm the most important. Again, it's not really about that. It really comes down to being able to organize who is managing who and who needs to report to who.